Class 5. Again I will start your chapter 10s. Okay, so I think this is the part 2 regarding the chapter 10s. So we will see day before yesterday you will see the present tense, simple present tense. Today we will see the structures, formation of sentence of present continuous, otherwise present progressive tense. Okay, so before start this present continuous, I will revise you simple present. At first, just you all students see that the formation of sentence, any sentence formation in 6 types. So how? Look at here. Be careful. Okay. First one, suppose that I take an example. I read in class 5th. I read in class 5th. This is affirmative, otherwise positive. You can say affirmative, otherwise positive. Now, just change into negative. I don't read in class 5th. This is a negative. Now next, do I read in class 5th? This is interrogative, so put here sign of question mark or sign of interrogation, you can say. Now next, do I not read in class 5th? Again put the sign of question mark. Now next, when do I read in class 5th? Sign of question mark. This is also interrogative. Now next, last, when do I not read in class 5th? Sign of question mark. In this way, we can form or formation any sentence in 6 categories or 6 types. You can say positive sentence, negative, interrogative plus negative, WH words, interrogative plus interrogative, WH words, interrogative plus negative. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any sentence, just you can format or formation in 6 types. Just I recall it. I read in class 5th. I don't read in class 5th. Do I read in class 5th? Do I not read in class 5th? When do I read in class 5th? When do I not read in class 5th? Just and I think explain in Hindi. Just you will easy to understand. I read in class 5th. मैं क्लास 5 में पढ़ता हूँ. I don't read in class 5th. मैं क्लास 5 में नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. Do I read in class 5th? क्या मैं क्लास 5 में पढ़ता हूँ? Do I not read in class 5th? क्या मैं क्लास 5 में नहीं पढ़ता हूँ? When do I read in class 5th? मैं कब क्लास 5 में पढ़ता था या पढ़ता हूँ? When do I not read in class? मैं क्लास 5 में कब नहीं पढ़ता हूँ? So in this way we can format any sentence in 6 types. Okay student, I hope it's better you to understand, and it's very needful to spoken. Whenever you try to speak English, just it's help you very much. So whenever you try, just you have to, I read in class 5, I don't read in class 5, do I read in class 5, do I not read in class 5, when do I read in class 5, when do I not read in class 5. In this way, just you have to try or practice, then just you have to analysis or observe or notice that you can better day by day. So I think you all will try it. Now just our topic is today's topic present continuous tense. See, present continuous, another way progressive, progressive, otherwise you can say imperfect also, imperfect tense. Okay, present continuous, otherwise present progressive, otherwise present imperfect tense, you can say. Anyone? Now structure. The structure of present continuous tense. Subject, as for as stand here, subject is oblique. This is sign of oblique. M of oblique R plus V4 plus oblique. Okay, this is the structure of present continuous, otherwise present progressive, otherwise present imperfect tense. Just we will see some examples. So example number first, just look at here. I am playing cricket. I, just you should take helping word am. I am, not I is, not I are. Now next example, example number 2. You are operating a computer. This is second example. You are operating a computer. मतलब आप कंप्यूटर चला रहे हैं. He is dancing on the stage. All three examples are present continuous tense. Students, I am playing cricket. You are operating computer. He is dancing on the stage. In this way, just this is a structure of, you can say, affirmative. Affirmative, otherwise positive stage. This is the structure of present continuous in affirmative or positive. On the another way, another hand, just we are talking negative structures, interrogative structures, like that. Just this sentence change into negative. I am playing cricket, then change into negative. I am not playing cricket. You are operating a computer. You are not operating a computer. He is dancing on the stage. He is not dancing on the stage. This is the negative, not interrogative. I am just talking about interrogative. Just take at first helping verb outside. Am I playing cricket? Sign of question mark. You are operating computer. Are you operating a computer? This is interrogative. He is dancing on the stage. Is he dancing on the stage? This is the interrogative sentence of the present continuous tense. I think I hope you students of class 5th who are looking or just seeing the videos just understood, and I am giving you just homework, so just you complete it, solve it, and just send me personal ID. What's your homework? Just look at it. This is the structure of present continuous. Just before this present continuous, I will show you the how to format 6 type of sentence. So in affirmative, negative, interrogative plus negative, WH words plus interrogative, WH words interrogative plus negative. In this way, just you have to all these sentence into 6 types like that. Just 6 6 6. It means that 18 sentences you should write. Okay, this is your homework. So I think you will convert into the all this how to format the 6. Already I shown you on the board. So just you have to complete. In this way, rest for today. In another class or next class, I will see present perfect tense. Okay, student. That's all. Take care.